Okay, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. I'm going to be giving you guys three stocks that are on my watch list right now for this week. Okay, I'll briefly go over why, and if you want a more detailed video going into each stock and why I like them so much, click the link in the description below. Okay, and there will be a video in the description below on each individual ticker that I'm covering today in the video. Okay. First off, we're going to start off with CEI, Camber Energy Inc. Okay, there's been a lot of unusual options activity coming in on that. All right. So here is going to be, as you can see, all right, we'll zoom back out. This stock has been on fire. Okay, it had a 38-day run up where it ran up over 1400% at its highs. All right. So I'm definitely paying attention to it because of that. All right. We did a couple trades on CEI previously when it was running up like this. And now we're trying to see if, some of this momentum can keep up. All right. Or if it's going to drop all the way back down to 33 cents. There's been some unusual options activity, like I said, stated earlier. So I do like it coming up here. I think it'll be bullish. These are going to be all my take profit zones, my resistance levels. Okay. If you want to take a look at those, you can screenshot those or go click on the other video and watch that video. Next one I'm going to go over is AQMS. Okay. That's going to be Aqua Metals. A lot of stocks that I have the same pattern kind of going on, where they're squeezing kind of hard on the Bollinger Bands and they've been falling. They've been falling for a good little while. Okay, so you can see this one ran up massively as well. This one had a 90-day run up that was over 750%. This was last November. We're currently in November. That was from November to February. Okay, we're currently in November. It looks to me like the stock has done a good job of trying to find a bottom. It is still making lower lows at the moment. So we need to see if we're going to climb here or if it's going to try to make another lower low. But there is a debit spread that I like on it that's pretty profitable. Okay, if you think that it may run up possibly another 700% this November, this winter season, there is a nice debit spread that's very cheap that offers a good profit potential. Okay, if you buy the 2.5 calls and sell the 7.5 calls for January 2022, all right, per every one contract, it's going to cost you $11.30, but your max profit is going to be $490. All right. And for you to break even on this, aka like for you to be in profit, the stock needs to be above $2.60 by January of next year. Okay. So I wouldn't recommend holding this through January too much unless CVI is above 2.60. What I'm mostly looking to do is saying, okay, well, this is a $10 trade with a max profit of $490. So that's a ton of profit percent. Okay, over 1,000%. Why don't I try to get maybe 500%? Why don't I try to get maybe 200% on this trade and I'll be happy. Okay. So that's how I would trade it. That's what I would do if I was looking at these January calls. Okay. I wouldn't be trying to hold it until January, until expiration. I would take a look at the max profit and say, what profit am I happy with out of that max profit that I want to exit play with. Okay. And then the next one is going to be AQST. AQST is waiting on some FDA approval. Okay, I believe December 23rd or December 21st, sometime in December. Okay, they're expecting FDA approval, all of the signs and all of the information that the leaders and the people working at AQST, they believe that they are going to get this, all right, approved, this approval, and the stock has been running up massively based off of that hype initially. Okay, so if you can look here over the past 23 days, the stock has been up over 70%. It's starting to have a pullback, but we have a nice bull flag pattern going on. So I'd look for some bounces in these two areas right here if you want to catch bullish plays. Okay. And if you're bullish on it, then I think that these are going to be some of the next immediate price targets that you can sell at. Okay, as you can see here, it has highs all the way up to 20. But before we get to 20, you have to know where you want to take profit at. So that's what these are right here. As you can see, they're well respected as support and resistance levels across the chart. So we'll take a closer look. All right. So right here, I would say, above $6.02, $6.20 is going to be our breakout level. And once we're above there, we're going to be bullish and we're going to be heading towards bullish territory. 678 will be our first bullish price target, then 734, 787, 856, and 928 Lots of good plays. Okay, they also have options available on AQST. So if you guys want to do some option spreads, let's say for instance let's do the 5 call. We'll buy the 5 calls and we'll sell the 10 calls. Okay, for February of next year. And if you look for every one of those we purchase, okay, it's going to cost us $141, but there's a max profit of $360. Okay, so a little over 200% there. It's not the best debit spread, but it is hopefully opening you guys up to the possibility of options and how to work debit spreads. Okay, so if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what tickers you guys are looking at. Let me know if you have any positions on any of these three stocks, and also let me know what stocks you guys are trading, and if you want an analysis done on those, I'd be very happy to go ahead and give you guys a breakdown of whatever top stocks you guys are looking at. Put these three on your radar for the week. All right, these are my top 3 stocks for Monday. Go ahead and pay attention to these. Some of these are going to be longer plays, some of these might be shorter plays, but I do think that they're very interesting, which is why I brought this video for you guys today. Okay, so thank you guys again for watching, and I'm out. See you next time.